Alright, here we are is my screencast for GAM-495 Artifact 4. This is Unreal Paintball. So my big task here was to implement an AI system, and I've been working on that for quite a bit of time. Like, it was a bigger challenge than I thought it was going to be going into it. But here's what I have so far. I still have some work to do. Still want to add player damage and a few other things, but you'll see some of my AI guys over there, and they have detection. So when they start detecting the player, they'll start shooting. That would be like a chase. You break line of sight and stop shooting. And you see that death animation. And capture the flag. And so far that's what I have. I want to implement, like I said, a player damage system so that when the AI hits the player, obviously there will be consequence. So I'm going to add a player health meter that will track the player's health. So when it gets to 0, it's going to end the game. And I'd like to also put health meters in for the AIs, and so you can kind of get an idea of where they're at. They're currently 10 hits to take them out, and I just have the debugging on there where it shows a hit, but I'd like to add the health meters, and like to add some form of scoring, and I'd like to add a capture the flag win condition, so that when you actually get behind the enemy's base and capture the flag, then it would win, and go to a summary screen with a round score and time and etc. etc. So anyway, it's still a work in progress, but only so much I can get done in a week, and we'll keep going from there.